Hi everyone, let's talk about Flowline today, which is a tool that lets you aggregate or have in a single place all the algo flows and net flows that you want. So before watching this video, I'd highly recommend checking out the options dashboard, the algo flow, the net flow, the market net flow videos, so that you understand what this tool is doing, because this is mostly just for your convenience. There is nothing new in this tool. So let's dive right into it. On the top right, you see the guide and some frequently asked questions. If you click on that, you'll get a lot of details on how we are creating these charts. Are there any limits or some other frequently asked questions? Next, we have the grid settings. So if you want to change the grid settings, if you want to have one chart on the top and then two by two on the bottom, you can do that. If you just want to have one chart in each row, you can do that as well. I've set it to the 2 by 2, which is the default one. Then how do we add a new net flow chart? In order to do that, all you have to do is just type in a ticker. Let's type in snap, then the number of days that you want to look for, the number of historical days for the net flow. One would just mean show us data for today, and then the expiration filter in number of days till expiration. If you want to look at unfiltered expirations, or if you want to just look at unfiltered net flow, just leave it blank. And when we do that, you can see the chart gets added. And the beauty of this tool is that these charts update like auto refresh every minute, so you don't have to manually refresh or do anything. So you just add these charts for the tickers for the stocks that you like, and then you can gauge what all of your stocks are doing from a flow perspective, which is again pretty cool. All right, so a couple of things. If you want to remove these, just click on the cross button. If you want to go to the stocks and options dashboards for this, just click here or here. Then the bars on the back are the algo flows. The green and the red lines are the net flows, and the white line is the stock price. If you want to switch your layout, and if you want to have, let's say, this chart to the first, just drag it here, and the next time you do a refresh, you're going to see that chart there. Then again, if you want to remove something, just click here and it will remove that chart. One limitation that we have right now, which will probably decrease or at least remove, will probably at least decrease or remove in the future, is you can only add 10 charts right now. We don't want a huge overload on our servers right now, because you are loading a lot of charts and we are auto refreshing them every single minute. And so the last thing would be, most people ask, like, how do you actually add market net flow? And so that's pretty easy. All you have to do is, instead of typing in a stock or typing in a stock symbol, all you have to do is type in market, and it will add the market net flow on the page. So that's it. It was a pretty short video. Again, this is a convenience tool. There is nothing new in here, but it's a really good convenience tool, and it makes your life a lot easier if you're using net flows and the algo flows, and if you want to have them in a single place. One tip that I'd give is, have the market net flows different, like shorter term expirations, unfiltered market net flows on the top, and then have other 8 or so sort of tickers on the bottom, and that gives you a really good idea on how to make individual plays while still gauging how the overall market flow is looking like. So hope that helps. I'll see you guys around.